Hi, I am Vigneshini from Mathematics Department. I am a PhD scholar at Krea University and I am in my second year currently. We had our coursework in the first year which had some standard courses in algebra, analysis and topology, and the courses were standard but not too heavy, keeping us in mind, and the evaluation pattern was also standard. The faculties were very inclusive while teaching, and the interactions were very helpful. Now I am in the second year doing individual study, so I discuss my doubts and I update my learnings with my supervisor on a weekly basis. But he is also very flexible that way, like when I am not willing to present something or discuss, he always has some backup idea and he takes care of it. So I do research in pure mathematics area. It's algebra and with a focus on representation theory. But I do get chance to interact with other department people. I do interact with physics faculties and computer science faculties. And because it's a residential campus, I get to interact with other faculties from history and sociology departments also during lunch table or dinner table, and their perspectives and these interactions have just helped me broaden my thoughts and perspectives. I did get a chance to do a seminar in Krea itself. So our department, not just our department, every department in Krea organizes a seminar on a weekly basis, either a Tuesday seminar or a Wednesday seminar, and people from various institutes come and present their ideas. They call PhD students, postdocs and faculties also to come and share their work, and that is a very useful interaction because the students get to know on what each faculty are working on, and also faculties can have interactions within mathematics. They could hear about what people have to say in other specializations. I have been to workshops. There are many workshops for representation theory and then for geometric combinatorics which happened at CMI. And Krea also helps in the funding of those, like they take care of the travel. They have a 3 lakh grant which we can use for the workshops, conferences and other travel visits we want to have within India or even outside India. So there are some workshops called AFS workshops, and Krea recently conducted AFS 3, which includes some standard syllabus about algebra, analysis and topology. They conducted a workshop for school children who are highly talented in mathematics, along with raising a mathematician foundation. Krea has this interdisciplinary learning, and because of that they have some common courses like math reasoning, which is not specific to just mathematics students. All of the students in their first years have to learn those courses. So it was quite challenging to teach people from non-mathematics department, but the overall experience was fruitful because it helps me grow, because it helps me to organize my thoughts in a way that I can communicate to larger audience. So the infrastructure is really comfortable. It's a very luxurious place to be at. As far as the library is concerned, they have a really good collection of mathematics textbooks, and whatsoever is not available, like if I am reading something currently and that's not available in the library, I could just write a mail and then they'll procure that book. So they have that facilities here, and the PhD cabin is a very nice space, and there are many discussion areas with whiteboards available where I can just hang out with people, scribble on the board and then start a discussion right away. Apart from the academics, I have also had a wonderful time doing other things here. They have wonderful sports facilities. They have a badminton court and table tennis and all indoor games and whatnot. And recently Krea conducted a Champions League between students, like faculties and PhD students. So that gave opportunity to interact outside academics also.